Wow, the water lilies look so pretty. I am in the middle of a wildlife sanctuary surrounded by water lilies all around me at this lush green property in Jambugoda, Gujarat.
Starting at only 6,000 rupees, which is inclusive of complimentary breakfast, high tea and taxes.
Wanna know how? Check it out.
Bhanu the Fern Forest Resort and Spa in Jambugoda. This resort is a part of the Fern Hotels and Resort, India's leading environmentally sensitive hotel chain amongst the fastest growing hotel brands in India with over 100 hotels in 90 plus locations, 6,000 plus rooms. An upscale resort amidst the Jambugoda Wildlife Sanctuary, Bhanu the Fern Forest Resort and Spa has 108 rooms offering a diverse range of living and comfort. You can get here by taking a flight to Ahmedabad or Vadodara and then driving down to Jambugoda.
How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like.
Good morning. It is such a lovely morning here in Jambugoda. And you know what is the best way to start your morning? It's with a healthy, heavy and hearty breakfast. And my day is going to be a little extra special because I am starting my day with a floating breakfast in the middle of the pool. Check it out. What a lovely way to start my day. Surrounded by the Jambugoda Wildlife Sanctuary, I am at this lush green retreat which is just 2 hours away from Vadodara and 3.5 hours away from Ahmedabad, where you can stay at this property
Starting at only 6,000 rupees, which is inclusive of complimentary breakfast, high tea and taxes. Welcome to Bhanu the Fern Forest Resort and Spa, Jambugoda. Greeted by friendly staff and lush greenery, Bhanu the Fern Forest Resort and Spa, Jambugoda has 4 kinds of rooms: the Wintergreen Room, the Wintergreen Premium Room, Fern Club Suite and Fern Club Villa. It has a range of dining options and entertainment facilities to keep you occupied during your stay.
This is the Wintergreen Premium Room, and as you can see, it is super spacious and is equipped with all the modern amenities. And the best part is that it has a beautiful balcony that opens up to a lush green view.
Starting at only 6,000 rupees, which is inclusive of complimentary breakfast, high tea and taxes.
Isn't that a steal deal? Well, the link is in the bio, so book right now. अब एक वीकेंड गेट अवे तो बनता है ना यहाँ पर.
The property offers top of the line banquet facilities for you to organize a little something with your family, a birthday party, corporate retreat or just have a fun gala time with your friends. Bhanu the Fern truly has everything for your needs. No vacation is complete without a guarantee of mouth-watering delicacies. Foresta, an all-day multi-cuisine restaurant, is where you can indulge in a delectable meal with picturesque views of lush green lawns and a river.
अब रहना खाना पीना तो हो गया. Now it's time for some adventure. So now I'm gonna enjoy a complimentary pottery session that is arranged by the resort, and Sir here is going to teach me. Let's start pottery. I don't know what this is, but मेरा vase ready है. यहाँ पर है ना इतनी ग्रीनरी है ना कि ऐसा लग रहा है मैं गुजरात में नहीं बट केरला में हूँ, सराउंडेड बाय वाटर लिलीज ऑल अराउंड मी. अब पॉटरी तो हो गई, but now it's time for our next adventure, which is horse riding. And yes, this is also complimentary on your stay over here. तो चले horse riding करने. What a way to enjoy a sunset. Jimmy, you too. And did you know that this resort is also pet friendly, so you can get your fur babies over here and have a blast with them. Cute, Jimmy? Am I right? Kutu. वैसे तो आई एम हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ फन एट माई स्टे ओवर हियर, बट मैंने सुना है कि यहाँ पर बहुत सारी अच्छी जगह है टू एक्सप्लोर. सो नाउ इट्स टाइम टू स्टेप आउट एंड आई एम गोना शो यू ऑल ऑफ दोज प्लेसेस. So the first stop is going to be the Hathni Mata waterfall, which is a 100-meter long waterfall. This waterfall normally only flows during the monsoons. So let's see if we are lucky to witness it. We are hiking towards the waterfall. It looks so pretty, it's so green, and we are following the water trail to see where the waterfall is. So the next spot for the day is the Khada Dam Lake. This area comes under the Forest Department and is a completely free spot and a very beautiful one too. Check it out. After that adventurous day, a spa session is all I needed. So guys, Jambu Goda has literally been one of the best weekend getaways I've had in a while. It is so serene, so green and so untouched. I literally had a blast over here. And while you're here, do plan your stay at
Bhanu, the Fern Forest Resort and Spa, Jambu Goda.
This property is literally the best in the vicinity, and obviously you have a Curly Tails exclusive offer giving you the best deal possible. Link is in the bio. Do make your reservation and book your next vacation over here. Until then, that's me, Sara Gadvi, signing out.